Wake up.
Whose man? Whose man's?
Jenny's man, Safar's daddy.
Today is Valentine's Day. Yeah. And today should have been the day that we go home.
You already crying?
Yeah.
Jenny, stop the vlog. Amiga,
Hey.
you look like shit.
Well, thank you. I feel like shit too.
How's it going?
I've been better. I've been feeling better, but seeing like all this going on, it's still okay. Yeah. I know you wouldn't tell, but my sister just called and I could only have 2 people here, so it's Ben and my mom. And I just got a little emotional because my sister just called and
Yes.
yeah, my mom got emotional too. Yeah, but anyways, it's going good. They put like an internal monitor and it just detached, so they need to redo it again, so that sucks. But other than that, I think I'm doing good. I'm doing the contractions pretty good, so yep, dealing with them pretty okay, I would say.
Okay, thanks for the update.
You're welcome.
Many hours later.
Hello. Hi. I'm not doing too hot, to be honest. I'm not doing too hot. I'm still trying to hang in here, but I haven't eaten all day. I'm a little tired. I'm not here to complain either, you know, but they just keep saying that my baby is not in the right position. And now she's looking up to the stars, and her heart rate has not been the greatest. But the thing is, everyone says something different, except the person who is supposed to give like real diagnosis and advice. So it's becoming a little bit frustrating. We're reaching the end of the day. It's now 4:18, and yeah, I have an epidural, by the way, because I was literally dying. I have 5 centimeters dilation. So yeah, those are the updates for now. I look crazy, I'm tired, and it seems like I'm gonna have a C-section soon. And I already asked them, like, is my baby in danger? Because y'all keep coming here, switching my positions and this and that. Like, I don't want to endanger my baby for no reason. So how useful is all of this? And they said, like, as long as she's reacting, she's not in danger. But this should not be taking this long anymore, because I'm literally running on no fuel and I am a diabetes patient. This does not sound healthy to me at all. And they're like, yeah, we're gonna look into your file and see what the protocol is when it comes to your diabetes, because we're supposed to do something when you're under 60. Well, trust me, amiga, I've been under 60 and that is not fun. You start sweating, you start feeling really shitty. So I told her absolutely not, that I want to let it get to that point, and especially when I'm in labor. Are you? No. So I'm sorry for the rant, sorry for the complaints. I'll keep you posted. Hopefully I'll have my baby very, very soon. I'm still very excited to meet her, but I'm just getting a little frustrated with... They're good people, you know. Everyone is trying to have my best interest, I feel, but at the same time I feel like this is just taking too long, you know. I'm running on no fuel at all. Frustration. But we're still very excited to meet her. We're going to meet her. All my family members are sending prayers and stuff, so thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it for now. hopefully the next update will be a very positive one.
1 hour later.
Dus even spelen met mijn kinderen. Ga je even naar die spelen? Ja.
Want ze heeft direct laten zeggen, hey,
hallo. Ja.
Dat deed je ook toen je een buikje was, hè?
Ja, weet je dat nog? Weet je
Jullie
dat
praten,
nog?
jullie praten niet met mij.
Nee.
Ben je aan het weer vast, hoor?
Now.
She's been here for 2 days now, but it's been 2 crazy days. But she's here now, and I'm feeding her. She is so cute. She is being breastfed by me. Who else? Anyways.
By a cow.
Yeah. I'm officially her cow now. She looks really satisfied. So cute. So cute. I don't know what to say. I'm so proud of her though. She's doing so well. But she really wants to get bigger, I think. So she's also constantly looking for my breasts. And even with Benny, like when he is holding her skin to skin, he's looking for the breast there. So it's great. It's what we want. So hopefully she will gain weight soon so we can leave and go home and have her home like we have it planned for her. But yeah, for now, we're feeding her.
Amiga's, look who's crying.
It's me again, yeah. Yeah. It's me crying. Yeah.
Why are you crying?
Yeah, because I'm a mom now.
Why are you crying?
Leave me alone.
Doe dat. Hallo. Ja. Oh my god. Wat ben je? Nee.
Ook niet aan.
It's not an umbilical cord.
Perfect?
Yeah. Hello. Today is Valentine's Day.
Yeah. And today should have been the day that we go home.
You already crying?
Yeah.
Jenny, stop the vlog. Stop the vlog. Starting a dance vlog with crying. Why are you so dramatic?
Leave me alone. Give me a tissue, please.
No,
Thank you.
what is it? You either want the tissue or you want me to leave you alone?
Give me a tissue, please.
Okay.
Today is February 14, and today should have been the day that we leave the hospital, the three of us, but we are not. But we do need to check out of the hospital today. I intended to vlog all the last few days, but to be very honest, the last few days were a lot. A quick little update on my baby, Safar. She is the cutest thing alive ever. We are so proud of her, and we are so lucky to be her parents, and she is everything. She means everything to me and to Benny as well. And she is a fighter. She is a fighter. She is just underweight. That's the only thing. And that is just because I have diabetes. And because of that, probably they're not sure, but that's the most logical thing that probably happened. My placenta wasn't feeding her at the end. And that caused her to fall a little bit back in weight. They estimated her to be 2 kilos and 600 grams for her weight, for her birth weight, but she ended up being 1 kilo and 900 something, so that is not good. And she was just a little fragile when she was born and all that, but even though she was like underweight and a little fragile, she never gave up. She always tried to drink her milk and do her things, and all her tests and everything came out good. So she is healthy. The only thing is she just needs to gain weight in order to leave the hospital with us. And that will probably be in about a month, the longest, but we will see how she does, because it also depends on her. She needs to be able to drink by herself and then also have the weight, and that should be 2 kilos and 300 grams minimum to leave the hospital. So that's that, but we are leaving the hospital today. That doesn't mean that my journey here ends with the hospital, because I'm coming back later today. I'm offered the opportunity. What is going on? I'm offered the opportunity to at least stay with my baby. The logistics of me staying here will just be a little different. So I will definitely vlog more in the next few days and weeks, since I will be at the hospital a lot. And unfortunately, Benny also got like a little bit under the weather, because he's been going all day, all night and everything ever since we got the news that I needed to be induced. So yeah, we came here so excited, and we still are, you know, but things just went really different. And that's just because she was estimated to be like completely fine in weight and everything, and then she ended up not being fine when it comes to her weight. She has like a premature size, while she is completely, she was born with 39 weeks. So, you know, my mom has left. I don't know if I said that already. No, I don't think I did. But anyway, my mom was supposed to be with me in the hospital, and because she doesn't know Belgium that well and her way around here, she was staying with me in this room actually. But then the apartment where my baby is staying, there are other fragile babies there, so they don't allow people who are not the parents to go in there all day. So then my mom would have been here for no reason. So therefore my mom's stay with me was ended like on the day after I gave birth, and then Benny took over again. So we're just the three of us doing it, and now it's mostly gonna be me the next few days, just because Benny's not feeling that well. And we don't want to pass anything on to Safar right now. She's already pretty fragile, and we don't want anything. So right now we're gonna go home. Benny is gonna take care of himself, sleep well, eat well, take vitamins. We're gonna see what we can get at the pharmacy to speed up the process so he can feel better, because he already misses her. And yeah, she's just so sweet, you know. She's the best thing that ever happened to me, and also to him. and she's just perfect, you know, perfect, a fighter, and someone who's so tiny, who shows you that I don't care. She doesn't know that she is underweight or anything. She is still acting, holding up her head, looking everywhere, trying to find the breast to drink. She is just so amazing. And yeah, I love that. I love that. And I'm so grateful for that. I'm grateful for everyone in my team. I think everything happens for a reason. I was manifesting and praying for a good team, people with patience, people who that you don't feel even more shitty. You hear so many horror stories about people giving birth, and I got everything I wanted, even though the situation wasn't ideal. I don't know how to explain that to you right now, but I got everything I wanted, you know. But yeah, our baby is here. She is amazing once again. She is so beautiful. Looks a lot like me when I was a baby, and my sister as well. Like her eyes and stuff, she really looks like her auntie too. She is still so little, so there's a lot that can change still, but
her face is changing every day.
Yeah, her face is really changing every day. So I love her. It doesn't matter. She's beautiful to me, and I'm biased, I know, because I'm her mommy and I'm proud of her. So I do not care. She's beautiful, the most beautiful girl in the world to me. Yes, that's what she is. Anyways, that's it for now. We're gonna go home, pack a new bag for me, and I'm gonna head to the hospital later today. And before we go home, I think we're gonna pass at Saffie's department and say goodbye to her for just a little while. Mommy and Daddy are gonna go home and get our shit together to, you know, to arrange me coming back. And then the next few weeks are gonna be me taking care of her, me adjusting to this whole situation until we get home. But it is my mission to get her home and healthy and happy and all that. And it's just super exciting to share with her everything we prepared for her, because this girl has everything. And I know that's materialistic things, because in the last few days I haven't even thought about any of those things, you know, even though, you know, you're so like consumed with getting her everything from the checklist. And in the last few days, all I was worried about was her being healthy, her eating well, her keeping her food in, and that was it. That was the only thing that I was concerned about. And yeah, maybe that's also a reality check. Sometimes you get lost in the sauce and you are so concerned with all the things that don't matter, and you lose track of the things that do matter. And in this side, that is health. That is being grateful. Not that I wasn't grateful, but yes, being grateful. I'm still so grateful for the way everything went. So grateful. She was born by C-section, by the way. I don't know if I said that, but that will be for the labor and delivery story. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna get ourselves together. I'm gonna check out where the showers are in this hospital for when I am staying here, and I'm gonna see my baby before we go home, and then I'll be back later today. And yeah, that's kind of it for now. Okay, I love you so much, Amiga. I'm happy to be back on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow my channel, follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, to stay up to date with my life. I will be staying home with her for a year, so that is a very comforting feeling that I have time with her still. And I am loving being a mom at this moment. I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm a mom. And I'm loving it. Anyways.
We used to be fun. You used to care. Darling, we built a home, a life. But now all of that is gone and fear. My dear. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm leaving the light on if you come back around. drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away.
Hi, Amiga. Today is February 15th, 2024, and today is my birthday. And I'm a new mom. I'm in the hospital because things happen, you know, shit happens, but everyone is good, everyone is okay, including me. I'm adjusting into my new role as a mom, and I am just so grateful that this year on my birthday I got the biggest gift ever, which is my daughter Safar. Yeah, this morning, it's now almost 1 p.m. I started today. It was a rough morning, as in I need to still adjust into my new routine, and this is not going to be my routine at home, but I will still slowly want to include things that I would do at home as well, and start them now that I have the help from the people in the hospital to help me with Safar. She's doing really well. I'm really proud of her. It's the best gift I could have had on my birthday. She is eating very well. She's asking for more food herself. So all of those are good signs. And she is full term. She's just underweight. That's all. You know, all her tests, all her other things are perfect. And we're now just waiting for her to gain weight and for her to be ready to go home. And that's that, you know. Anyways, I am now getting ready. I spent the night here for the first time yesterday, because yesterday I was not sent home, but I don't know what the exact word is, because it can be really heavy for most moms. The hospital that I go to offers the opportunity for one parent to stay over, and in this case that was me, because I really needed it. I missed her so much. The further we went from the hospital, the more emotional I was getting, and I was not feeling great about it at all. So I came back the minute I got the chance. I went home, packed another bag, took some rest, and came back, you know, because she is everything and she depends on me, and I know she's in good hands here, but it's just this mother in me that was born as soon as she was born. I can't deny that feeling. I can't act as if that's not happening, because it is, and it's just crazy, you know. But yeah, I'm now getting ready, or finishing getting ready. I already took a shower earlier today, but with her asleep now, I need to use this time wisely, because I love being a mom. I really do. But it is rough when it comes to timing and stuff. You need to get on your shit. I need to stop being a people pleaser, because like my phone is blowing up with people with the best intention, wanting to know how I am, how Safar is, and because today's my birthday, it's even like worse, because people are sending me worse in the sense that it's even more messages, because people want to wish me a happy birthday, which I'm really grateful for. Super grateful to see another year, and I can't wait to see what this year is gonna bring, because it's the first year of me being a mom. Oh my god, I'm so excited, and I'm so grateful to the universe, to God, to everyone out there helping me and realizing all my dreams. And I'm so grateful. I keep saying that, you know. But starting from tomorrow, I have decided that I'm gonna wake up early. And the minute that I wake up, I'm gonna shower and get myself together, because that saves so much time that I can use for other things. I need to just get better with my routine and start planning my schedule for the day better, because today I kind of not did that, and that's okay, because it's the first day of me back in the hospital and with near Saffie, you know. And it's not like I can just lay around here and let other people take care of her. I need to learn how to properly feed her, in the sense that I know how I should give a bottle or something, but I chose breastfeeding, and breastfeeding is challenging. You need to be on a schedule in which you your body adjusts to what it has to make to supply your baby and the baby's needs. So in order to do that, you need to stay on a schedule. It's crazy and it's rough, and it's okay to skip one time, but not too much, because otherwise you will have like milk clumps that can become mastitis. I don't even know what the name is, and that's a headache to deal with. I had that the first few days, not mastitis, but like that the milk was clumping up, and that was so painful, but I'm so happy that I pulled through. It feels way better now, and the hospital that I'm in is really supportive of breast milk instead of like formula, I guess. So that's great. But it's also what I also love about it is that all the nurses really help you and focus on giving breast milk. They give you so many tips. Nothing is weird to ask. Everyone is so helpful, you know. So I really appreciate that. Anyways, I'm gonna now do my makeup, so I'm gonna stop talking, let my daughter sleep, and try to get done, because I really want to be done by the time that Benny gets here. I want to clean up my bed because it's a mess. And yeah, just get my shit together. So yeah, let's do makeup now. Makeup is done. I didn't do anything crazy because I'm a mom now. I don't have time for crazy things, but this will do, you know. Anyways, let's go. Update, look who's here. Yo. Yeah, he's here to bring me food, and later on we're also gonna have dinner in the city while Saffie sleeps and grows. Thank you.
Zo. Ik weet niet als je deze wil.
Oh, maar. Ja. Wat had je voor jezelf gekocht?
Oh, dan mag ik denk ik nog 10 verschillende voor je. En dit had je waarschijnlijk ook nodig.
Ja. Ja. Wat een lightsaber.
Zeg je nou wat?
Oh my god. Our local pharmacist sent a package over for Saffie. Let's do a little unboxing. Oh my god. First thing is this little rabbit. This is so cute. This is so cute. Aww. And then they got she got all type of little products to try. La Roche-Posay. Okay, bougie. Another La Roche-Posay. I trust the pharmacy and I love pharmacy products. So, yeah.
Bel dan om dit te bedanken hoor.
Ja, oh, dat is zo lief. Maar ze is pas... Oh, het is 1:30. Ik moet zo even bellen. Oh, wat lief. Nou, anyway, so sweet. I'm gonna have dinner. I'm gonna have lunch. And chill out a little bit with Benny. And hopefully we can do skin to skin soon. I will film him doing it, but not myself, or try. I'll see how I can do it because I have a huge chest area and I don't want to get demonetized, you know. We just got back, so let's not do that. But this is so sweet. I need to call my pharmacist to tell her thank you. This is so cute. It's in this little bag from Louis Whitmer and it says baby pure. Thank you so much. This is making me so happy. This is the best birthday ever.
The glow of this girl.
Hello. I'm having birthday cake because it's my birthday. Benny brought some cake for me from home. And I'm having some tea. Benny is skin to skin with Saffie. I am so happy. This is the best birthday ever. Sure. So good.
Zelfs als ik dat niet gezegd heb, dan nog eens kijken van ze zijn echt.
Sushi after 9 months. Cheers. Period. He also had no sushi for 9 months, just because of me. On my way to shower because Safar has her own planning. Shower was a success. And now it's time for skincare. Hi Amiga, it is now Saturday, February 17th. It is not the day after my birthday, but the day after that. Yesterday was just a very emotional day for me because Benny and I made an arrangement that it's better if we rotate every 2 days. So every 2 days, each of us is gonna be at the hospital with Saff. And that is just so that we both can have enough rest, so that we both are charged and have time and be a better team to be there for our daughter. And the night was my first night at home, and I was just very, very emotional yesterday, the whole day, knowing that I would have to leave her. I just have serious mommy issues at this moment that I don't want to leave her. I feel so guilty leaving her at the hospital. But I do have to say that I feel like way more energized and so much better. Last night I slept through my alarm clock for my pumping because I need to pump milk for her. But I feel so charged and so much better. And I checked up with Benny and she's doing great. She is doing what she's supposed to do. She's drinking her milk that I left behind for her. So she is fine, you know. And I feel like this was a very good call because I was so exhausted that I didn't even hear the alarm clock when it went off at 3 o'clock at all. I just slept through it completely. So yeah, if you're a new mom as well and you're going through things like this, then know that it's normal to have, if you have your partner, to let them help and to also take rest and time for yourself, you know. So of course I miss her. Of course I'm still a good mother, you know. I'm not a bad mom because I take rest, you know, absolutely not. We take rest so we can be good moms, and to be a good parent you need to be well rested, otherwise you're going to be tired and you're not going to be as focused on things. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. But I made myself a cup of tea. I have like all my stuff ready, and I'm gonna now watch some YouTube after I find my phone, because that's also a thing. I constantly lose my phone. But after I find my phone, I'm gonna start pumping. I ate a banana right now. I also have like my Stanley cup with enough water, because this thing has been a lifesaver just to keep me hydrated, to get enough of my water in every day. That's very, very important when giving breast milk. So yeah, that's that. I'm really happy right now. Sugar levels are good. Swelling on my foot is just going down. It's not completely gone yet, but everything is going good. I'm thriving here at home. Of course I miss her, but I know she's in good hands because her dad loves her. He is obsessed with her, so she's gonna be fine. And there's also nurses and things around if there's anything wrong, you know. Let's pump some milk for my daughter. Okay, Amiga, it's now a few hours later. It's almost 3 o'clock right now. And I am getting ready to go back to the hospital. I'm rushing a little bit because I don't want to take more time because I want to spend enough time with Saffie today as well. I'm gonna go today by public transportation, and then tonight I'm gonna take a taxi and come back home. So I think that's just worth the investment to just take Ubers, taxis. It would have been better if I had a car, but it is what it is. And I think it's worth my money right now. So I think I'm gonna just do that because there's no point in stressing myself out, which I was a few seconds ago. Like, I have so little time, but if I take the taxi tonight, then I can relax about that a little bit, you know? So I'm gonna do just that. And for now, I'm gonna try to get myself together, which will be fine. And then we can leave in a little bit. But I was able to have like really nutritious foods. Of course, there's a new activity in my schedule. And that is pumping and feeding the baby when I'm with her. So I miscalculated that a little bit because it takes like 20 minutes to do. Let's say 30 if you want to be relaxed. But that I need to make time for that, you know? So those are things that I need to slowly adjust to, but I will. Because we got this. There are so many women all over the world giving birth every single day and raising children every single day. Some of them even alone without help. And they're fine. So am I, you know? So I need to learn to not be hard on myself because there's no need to do that. And I got my mommy makeup routine down time-wise because girl, there's no time to be doing a whole lot anymore. I just want to look put together. Makeup really helps me feel ready for the day, and it's really not necessary because yesterday Benny was like, do you even need to do makeup? No, I don't have to do makeup, but makeup is something that always makes me feel ready for the day. It's for me and it's not for anybody else. So that's the reason why I do makeup, to feel more ready and put together for my day. All right, Amiga, I made it to the bus stop and I still have a few minutes, so that's amazing. Great timing. And I feel great. I feel great to be outside. By the way, today is Saffie's due date officially. She was estimated to be born today by the hospital, but she was born on the 10th, of course. But today she is a week old. She also is doing so good. She's above 2 kilos now, so 300 grams more to go, and then she can come home with us. It has been a great morning. I'm so grateful that she's doing well. She's gaining the weight. She had her first little bottle yesterday because Benny stayed with her in the hospital. First they had her drinking out of a cup, but now she is drinking out of a bottle, which is also amazing. So yeah, my day can only get even better from this point, and I'm so grateful for it. So yeah, waiting for the bus now, and I am heading to see my daughter. I quickly stopped at the supermarket to get some sandwiches, charcuterie, things like that, a bottle of water because I still have a liter of water to drink today. So yeah, and now I'm almost at the hospital. So excited to see my baby. Benny sent me a picture of her. Well, she just woke up a few minutes ago and she looked mad. So I'm gonna go and see her. So happy to be back and see my little girl. And we're back.
Didn't need it, no you didn't need it, didn't even feel it, told me like 100
The outfit of the day, by the way, leggings and a sweater, just simple basic, comfy mommy wear.
7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long.
Nice back, Lucy. Look at her smile. Mama is back, yes, schat. Ben je zo gelukkig? Ben je zo gelukkig? You're happy, no?
Denk je echt dat ze denkt mama is back?
My cow.
The cow is back.
My cow is back. It's okay, I'll be your cow. I'll be your cow. I'll be your cow, baby. It's okay. She's doing so good. I'm so proud of her. You're 1 week old. You're 1 week old today.
Hey, nee, nog niet.
No, almost.
Pokeballs. And Saffie's still asleep, so we're gonna have our dinner while she sleeps. And when she wakes, I'm gonna breastfeed her. And yeah.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet.
Oh my god, Amiga, I am. Look at the time. 11:09, 11:10. So that is crazy, but I'm about to pump some milk right now. I have here some little tangerines. I have nuts, water, and nursing tea. And I'm sitting here at my little station ready to pump. So I'm gonna get that done. Try to relax while I do that, watch some YouTube videos. But it's a crazy but productive morning. At least my hair is washed now, so I just have to dry it and kind of style it a little bit. I bought the Revlon Pro Styler, I think it's called. Somebody recommended it on TikTok to me. That's for later. First thing first is making food for my baby. So let's pump. And by the way, for pumping, I use the Philips Avent, it is called. Very good very good pumping machine. It's really similar. It doesn't look similar to the one in the hospital that I was introduced to when I just gave birth, but the system works the same, and I feel like this one is even a little bit better than the one in the hospital, so I'm really happy with my purchase. When we took the breastfeeding class, they told us, yeah, it's not a good idea to buy a breast pump, whatever websites are saying, because it's better to rent one from the pharmacy. But honestly, we already had bought it, so Benny and I were looking at each other like, okay, shit. But no, I have no problems. I really recommend this one. If you are a mommy-to-be and you're looking for a good breast pump, then this is a really good one. Philips Avent, it is for us. It works. I'm really happy because we already bought it and it wasn't cheap, so it wasn't expensive either, but the price was okay. It was doable, but since we already had it, we were just hoping that it would be okay, and it is. So recommend this one. And yeah, let's get this done now. Okay? Alright, Amiga, it's almost 12 o'clock and it's really time now to do my hair. So let's do that. I am just exhausted. Okay, I'm feeling a little tired, but what can I do? And I also made like some oatmeal to keep that milk supply up. I'm tired. These are the products that I use. Okay, my hair is blow dried, but I think I will have to test the Revlon styler another time because Benny texted me and said that the nurse wants to give Saf a bath and I want to be there if they're gonna do that. I thought we were gonna do that another day, but I have to hurry now, so I think I'm just gonna leave my hair like this and try the styler another time. Let me show it to you, by the way. It's this one. I think it went viral on TikTok and stuff, or at least I've seen it there, but I really don't have the time to try it right now, but I really want to. Okay, we're just gonna do like a little piece here in the front, on both sides. By the way though, let me see how this goes. You can see the styler being, or this blow dryer brush thingy, being really helpful if you want to have your hair like bone straight. And if you're going to go over it with a flat iron, I see how it can make the process even easier. But I don't think this will give me like a blow dried look, even though that's not even what I'm looking for. I don't know what I was looking for with this, but I'm not mad. It's unfortunate that I don't have the time to really put it to the test completely, but I will do that in another vlog in the future, and I'll keep you updated, or I'll vlog it when I have more time. But for now, I'm quickly gonna do these two pieces in the front and call it a day, because I have to go and I still need to pack for the hospital. Luckily, it's just for 2 days, and I have a checklist, so I'm quickly gonna hurry up now. Okay, talk to you in a little bit.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Hello. Hello. Hey. Hello. Good morning, Saffie. Hallo meisje. Probeer je speentje te pakken. Probeer je speentje te pakken, schat.
Good morning, amiga. Today is Wednesday, February 21st. I have spent 2 days in the hospital with Saffie, and today is my turn back at home. Or yesterday night I slept at home again. But I got amazing news this morning, and that is that she only has 100 more grams to go, and then she can come home. And I am just so emotional, so happy. These are happy tears, but I'm just so happy because the end of this whole hospital journey, swapping nights kind of situation is coming to an end, and I'm so grateful. I can't wait to just start our life, the three of us, at home, and show her everything that we got for her. Like let her get adjusted to her actual home and stuff. I'm so excited. I can't. Yeah, this is just crazy. Like every day I feel like I love her even more than I already do, and I'm like, how is this possible, you know? That little girl changed something in me that I don't know. With her, the modern me has been born, and I just know what she means. I know what she means with everything, with every little sound. It's so weird that you get like these instincts that you know what she wants, what she needs, everything, you know? I don't know where that comes from, but it's beautiful. And even on the screen today, she just was drinking, or she finished drinking her bottle. And then I was talking to her, she was smiling. Of course, it could be that she was milk drunk, but I think it's because she heard my voice. And it's just the cutest thing ever. Like, I promise you, it's the cutest thing ever. Oh my god. Anyways, this really is motivation for today. I'm gonna make some oatmeal now and eat as good as I can to make the best milk that I can for her, drink as much water and tea and things that I can. And yeah, I'm just so happy. Oh my god. Oh. I got food for my mans and my baby. I am in the hospital visiting Benny and Safar. And Benny is currently feeding Safar. What were you saying a few minutes ago?
Abri boca.
Abri boca?
Opi goloso.
Pica. Don't say that.
Opi goloso.
Pica.
Ik Sophie. Dat je niet eens je mond kan openen. Nu leg je alsof je in coma gaat. Kijk eens, kijk. Wil je infuse hebben?
I know, pica. Okay, I'm gonna go home again.
Ahmad.
Naonda.
Freedom Tool. Een icon. Is het icon? Je weet zelf. Mami. Wake up.
Who's man? Who's man?
Jenny's man's trash daddy.
Hi Amiga, today is our last day at the hospital and we got upgraded to a separate room. It is called a koala experience in which Benny, me and the baby get to practice before we go home. We have the care of the baby completely to ourselves, but the nurses are here just in case we still need help or have questions. So it's a good way to practice before you go home. And then you don't get thrown like a curveball before you get home. But I thought it would be fun to give you a little room tour. So let's do that. So right when you walk in, you have this little koala wallpaper because it is a koala experience. Super cute wallpaper. You have this chair that you can use for breastfeeding. And then here we have like a nightstand. We have my bed. Here, right here, we have another bed. This one is for Benny. You can just take it out like this. Okay, I can't do it right now, but there's a bed in there. And then here we have the little bassinets for the baby. Hi, baby. Hello. And then here we have like a safe. We have a fridge. There's also a microwave back there. Right there. There's a monitor to monitor everything with the baby. And then we have like a little changing station for the baby. You get diapers from the hospital, all types of other stuff to take care of the baby from this brand, Mustela. You get Kleenex, everything like a changing thingy, a little sink, but it's also a little bathtub for the baby. Some closet space to save your stuff. We have our bags down there. And then there is a small bathroom and toilet. You can shower here. There's a chair if you just gave birth, so you can sit on it if you want. A toilet, a small sink, and a mirror. And then right here you have some stuff as well in case you need it. But that's that. Alright, Amiga, Benny and I ordered the ramen to have. So we're gonna have our ramen, and then after that I think we're gonna just rest for the rest of the evening. It's been a lot the last 2 weeks, so this is a well-deserved night. Benny.
Whatever it is.
today is
Today's Saturday.
Saturday, February.
Going home day.
Yeah, today is Saturday, and today Benny and I and Saffie are going home.
2 weeks old.
Yeah, she's 2 weeks old today, exactly on the dot. And today we are allowed to leave the hospital with Saffie. She gained the weight that she was supposed to gain. And we stayed in the koala room. We were able to take all the care for her during the night and this morning to ourselves. With like still some doctors coming in and checking on her and seeing if she's ready for her release, but she is. And now we are just waiting for her to wake up from her nap, and then we're gonna change her diaper, get her dressed, get her weight as well, and then we are ready to leave for home. We just
feed her.
Yeah, we also need to feed her still, do all of that, you know, the whole feeding round, changing her clothes, everything. And then we should be able to leave around 1. Everything is packed, we are ready. We're gonna go home by Uber. So yes, we're ready, we're excited to go home. And this is just a moment that I've been waiting for. It's been such a eventful experience, but it was a blessing and a curse in the sense that we didn't came in here with the expectation that Saffie was going to be underweight, but at the same time it was also the best experience in the sense that we were able to learn a lot. When you are pregnant, you prepare all the materialistic stuff and all the practical stuff, but you don't think about what it's actually like to raise a newborn and feed the feedings, the changing of the diapers, everything. So we learned to really be a team during this kind of a difficult time. We grew so much closer to all the nurses here, and I am really happy with the hospital that I chose to give birth in, because I don't know if this experience would have been the same in any other hospital. So I'm really grateful. And now our adventure begins at home, and it's exciting. It's I'm really anxious in a positive way though, how she's gonna do at home. The one thing is that she is still not the weight of a regular, like, how do you say that?
She doesn't have the way to get visitors and
Yes.
go outside.
Yes, so we still need to be careful with her since she is still under 3.5 kilos. She can't have like visitors at home. We shouldn't overstimulate her with and overwhelm her with a lot of visitors. She can't go outside. She can, but not for a very long time. All those things make her vulnerable and can make her sick, so we don't want that. And that will be more easier when she's 3.5 kilos. So therefore no visitors for a while, but all of that is in Saffie's best interest. So we're gonna do what is best for her, of course. So yeah, they said, like multiple doctors said it, like please do not do like baby parties or have like a whole overwhelming amount of visitors. Of course we can't decide what you have to do, blah blah blah, but they all made it very clear that that's not in Saffie's best interest, and it's gonna overstimulate her, and it can make her drop weight. So that's what we don't want. We came to this way to go further and to evolve, so that's what we're gonna do. It sucks a little bit, but
also viruses.
yes, people with maybe that have a cold or something, we need to protect her from viruses and bacteria and all of that. So we're just gonna do what they told us to do, and yeah, that's just that. But we're already happy that we can go home. Benny is still free for the next 2 weeks, so we have time to be at home, just the 3 of us. And if we need to do groceries or go outside, we should go like one of us and not like all 3 of us, for example. So yeah, we're gonna just stick to the rules because we want this girl to gain her weight and to continue to gain weight like she has been. So yeah, we're gonna listen to everything all the advice that they gave us. So yeah, that's that for what I had to say, but I'm really excited. And let's show you the little girl. She's still sleeping though. She's a sleeping beauty. The little Amiga. Hi Amiga. Hey Amiga.
Good morning. Are you ready to go home? Are you? Are you ready to go home, Saffie? Are you? Yeah, are you? You smiled. Are you ready to go home? So here's her little outfit of the day. She has like this romper thingy. It's a brown, pinkish brown one. Then she has this as her little outfit. Just a comfy little set. A one piece. Little socks. And then these were on top. Outfit of the day. Look at her.
Rustig, rustig. Ja. Say no pictures, please. No filming, please.
Ja. Het is echt gek om hier te vertrekken.